Hello guys, mag-unbox ta og kanang atong grocery gikan sa Costco. So Costco haul. This is our grocery for hopefully for a month, but let's see how it kung maabot ba og for a month. Mao ni atong nakuha guys. Mao ni atong napalit. Big box of strawberry kay favorite sa mga anak. Day atong kuan sauce ni barbecue sauce. Onya da atay Milo bar. Open out. My kids can't wait. This is more on snacks for school. So this one is 12 pack. Poki kuno nga ni Poki. Onya day atong versimili noodles. Ay tas carne guys, that corn beef ni worth of $24. That ay lamb shank, kuan is 2 kilo, kuno is $34 for all of this. 4 piece na siya guys, 4 pieces. Di atay pork ribs ug datay kuan 2 kilo of lamb quarter shank chop ni siya. Yeah. Nutella kay favorite sa mga anak. Di atay Hello Panda pang school snacks. Di pa day quick carne day. Kuan siya guys, kanang belly, strict boneless pork belly. This is actually good for a month. We'll see how we go. Tanaw na to, umabot ba for a month. We'll see. Mogo. Kuan siya guys, 12 bottles ni siya sa usa ka box. Mo ni mogo. Milo, number 1 favorite. Datay kuano, bread rolls guys, pandesal kuno ni, pandesal sa gikan sa Costco. Datay spam. Datay luncheon snacks, tiny teddies. What is siya guys? How many? 14 times. So how many in the box? 42 packs in a box. So good. This one is good. The kids would love this. And then chia seeds for my diet kunuhay ni. Diet ba kuroy? Na ug makitag pagkaon man. Seafoods diet. Di atay cucumber. Favorite ko dito ang mga junakis. Mao na atong haul guys for today from Costco. Thanks guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.